Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making shrimp angel hair pasta. Let's get right to it. To start, unshell cooked shrimps. Bring a pot of water to boil and add angel hair pasta. Cook for 6 minutes. Fish out pasta to cold water. Mince onion. Heat pork lard over medium-high and stir until melt. Add onion and stir until color has changed. Add pasta, ketchup, shrimps and mix everything fully. Then shrimp angel hair pasta is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.